Hi everyone, Bank Nifty Future 1 minute chart, April 6, Thursday market, weekly option expiry day. At 9:16, after 1 minute of market open, 9:16, sell call generated, so red color candle open, sell at 41,094, that is our entry point line, white color line, straight white line from red color candle, below our target 1 and 2 line, 100 point first target, 200 point second target. First target is 40,991. Every day in live market, automatically you will get calls from this chart. How you are watching the video, you are going to watch the chart, get the call, place order in your broker account. For plan detail, send me a hi message in WhatsApp. Will provide you the subscription plan detail also. After 20 minutes of sell call generated, market break out the first target range of 40,991. A 100 point movement has been happened. Like this today, sell call generated and break out the target. Every day it will analyze the market and provide us the calls like this in live market. For chart subscription detail, just send me a hi message in WhatsApp. We'll provide you the plan detail. Thank you.